Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing 2 sugar-free and refreshing summer drink recipes which you can include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipes. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 cup of de-seeded, chopped and chilled watermelon cubes. So what I have done is, after I chopped the watermelon, I kept it in the refrigerator so that it will get chilled. Into this I'm squeezing in half a lemon, adding in a small handful of fresh mint leaves, 1/4 teaspoon kala namak, also known as black salt, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. Add in 1 cup or 1 glass of water, and I'm going to blend this really well. The sugar-free watermelon juice is nicely blended. Into my serving glass, I'm adding in a handful of ice cubes. Add in 2 tablespoons soaked sabja seeds. Sabja seeds, also known as basil seeds, has cooling properties, hence it's ideal to use in the summers. Pour in the blended sugar-free watermelon juice. Garnish it with a sprig of mint leaves. And my super healthy, refreshing watermelon juice is ready to serve. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 glass of water, a small handful of fresh mint leaves. I'm grating in 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Add the ginger into the blender. 1/4 teaspoon kala namak, also known as black salt. 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. I'm squeezing in half a lemon. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground cardamom powder. I used 2 cardamom seeds to make the freshly ground cardamom powder, and I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. And my sugar-free masala lemon juice is nicely blended. To serve the masala lemon juice, into the serving glass, I'm adding in a handful of ice cubes. I'm tearing in 2 mint leaves. 1 green chilli which I have slit halfway through. 2 tablespoons soaked sabja seeds. Pour in the masala lemon juice. Lastly, sprinkle in a fat pinch of chaat masala. And my super healthy, sugar-free, refreshing masala lemon juice is ready to serve. So guys, do try these healthy and sugar-free refreshing drinks and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.